welcome back to Arts and Humanities. I'm so glad for you all to tune into the next video. We are going to be going over 16th note rhythms today. We just went over the 8th note rhythms and the quarter note rhythms and the half note rhythms. So great job, guys. We're moving on. I'm going to show you how to read these 16th note rhythms. As you see, you should have looked at a chart that had alligators, hamburgers, and patty cakes, and one eats-us. Don't worry about the one eats-us today. We're going to be going over these measures. As you see, they're divided into bar lines. That's how we know what's a measure. And I'm going to get you from point A to point B. So let's get started. This video is going to be a little bit longer. So here we go. We got 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets the beat. So we got 4 beats here. We have 1. We have 2 and a, or you can think 1 and hamburger. So we got 1, 2 and a. Here's the next one. 3 and. So 1, 2 and a, 3 and. Or you have 1. Sorry, forgot my words. 1 hamburger patty cake, 4 and. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. Try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. Now if you remember, 4 16th notes is 1 E and a. So that's how we got 1 and a. This is basically 1 and E. Over here we have 3 E and, because this is basically the and the together. Okay? Here we go. First measure. Ready, go. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. I'm going to do it 4 times in a row. Count it and clap it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. Here we go again. Ready, go. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. Alright, we got it. Here we go, the next measure. The next measure. We have 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. Now I did it half the time. So we actually have 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. Alright, we ready? Alright, listen to me and clap along. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. Alright, so now we know 2 measures. Now we don't just play 1 measure of music and that's it. So let's put these 2 together. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. Again. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and a, 3 and, 4 and. 1 E and a, 2 and a, 3 and 4. Alright, so now we got 2 measures together. Here we go. We're going to learn this measure. Looks familiar, right? Rhythms look familiar? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you think about it, it's just the same rhythm repeating, and then the same rhythm repeating. Right, 4 times. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and stop. Alright, from the beginning. So now we're going to go from here into here. 1, 2, beginning, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and a 3 E and 4 and 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and stop. Alright, I'm going to play it 2 more times for you. 1, 2 and a 3 E and 4 and 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Alright, here we go. Last measure of our first line. We got 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Or hot dog, alligator, alligator, cheese. So however you need to think about that. Alright. Just this measure, just this measure. I'm counting it. 1, 2, ready, last measure. 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Alright, the whole first line. So now we're going point A to point B. Hope you're keeping up. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and a 3 E and 4 and 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Again, 1. Alright, here we go. We're going to look at, let's look at the third line. We don't want this video to be too long, but we want you to get the point. Here we go. We still got 4 beats in a measure. The quarter note gets to beat. Let's identify our first one. We're going to move it just a little bit faster. So right here we got an 8th note. So we got 1 and. Quarter note makes 2. A 16th note makes 3. Another one makes E. And that's the and the together. 4. So 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. The next one, 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4, and a. So 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4, and a. Alright? So let's see, we put the first 2 together. First 2 together. 1, 2, first 2 together. Go. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4, and a 1 and 2, 3 E and 4, 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4, and a. So all I did was play these 2 measures, just so you weren't confused, and I played them twice. I didn't go on. Alright, here we go. We're going to look at the third measure now. Alright, so I'm just going to clap it for you this time. I want you to think, what are the counts? So what you should have is 1 E and. So 1 E and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 E and a. So 1 E and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 E and a. If you got that right, great job. Alright, from the beginning, we're doing 3 measures now. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 E and 4, 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4 and a 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a. Alright, so don't forget, the 16th note, it shouldn't be hard because it's just dividing our quarter note into 4 beats of itself. Alright, here we go. Last one. We got 1, 2, and 3 E and a 4. Not too bad, right? 1, 2, and 3 E and a 4. Just making sure you got it. From the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. One and 2, 3 E and 4. 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4 and a 1 E and 2 and 3 and 4 E and a 1, 2 and 3 E and 4. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Alright, so our next step, we're going to put our first line together with our third line. I want you to skip the middle. Skip the middle. What did I say? I said skip the middle. So we're going to go this measure, this measure, this measure. You're not going to go here. You're going to jump to right here. So this measure, this measure, this measure, this measure. Jump all the way to the third line. Play all of that all together. Can we do it? Here we go. 1, 2, from the beginning, 2, ready, go. Third line. 1 E and a 2 and 3, 4 and a 1 E and. Alright, you should have completed all of the 8 measures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that you are now pretty good at rhythms, especially 16th note rhythms. I can't wait to see what you got in store.